Yeah, this is how you're doing it. Yeah, it's like a rubber band for a motorcycle. It's gone over there. You're just doing it from here, then going here, then go all the way here, and just stick it to something. You could do it on super bike, also any kind of bike, almost. Not a scooter, not sure, but maybe a scooter has its own basket, but you could put a... I didn't pay for anything for this. They're just giving this to me for free. This is stupid guy just parked right behind of me. What was your... it's easy to see it, and you have a citrus. It's really good for your back. And it's comfortable. It's safe enough, not much safe, but you know, it's good enough. Where? Who needs a car? Who needs a fucking car? Or truck, or pickup, or bus, or aircraft?